So in this question, an object of height 10 centimeter is kept at a distance of 36 centimeter from concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeter. Find position, nature and height of image. So first of all, you have to find the mirror type, whether the mirror given is convex or concave. So from the question I can see that this is a concave mirror, so I will write mirror type is concave, and the type of the mirror will help us to calculate the focal length, whether it is positive or negative. Since it is a concave mirror, what is the focal length given over here? Focal length is 12 centimeter, right? Remember in the question, the sign of the focal length will never be given. The sign of the focal length you have to identify by finding the type of mirror, whether it is concave or convex. And in the sign convention we have already studied that for concave mirror f is taken as negative, for convex mirror f is taken as positive. So here for concave mirror focal length is taken as minus 12 centimeter. Now an object of height of the object, so it is denoted by letter h naught. Height of the object is taken as 10 centimeter and is always taken as positive. Even if we don't specify positive, it will be okay. And the object is kept at a distance of 36 centimeter from concave mirror. That means object distance has been given, which is equal to 36 centimeter. So from sign convention I have explained, object distance is always taken as negative. Object distance will always be negative. Okay. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the position of image. That means we are asked to find V, nature, whether it is real or virtual, and we have to find the height of image, which is hi. So I can simply write to find V, okay, nature and hi. So to solve this we have got only two formulae. Remember, one is the mirror equation, which is 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, and other is the formula for linear magnification, which is m equal to height of image upon height of object, which is also equal to minus v by u. So remember, we have only two equations to solve numericals on spherical mirror. So I know f, I know u. Can I get v? Yes, by using mirror equation. So I can simply solve 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, substituting value using the sign convention. So what is f over here? Minus 12. And what is u ka value is minus 1 upon 36. So to calculate v, I can shift this on left hand side. So this becomes minus 1 upon 12, right? Plus 1 upon 36. So solving this, 1 upon v ka value will be, let's take the 36 as LCM. So it is minus 3 plus 1, this is minus 2 by 36. It is minus 1 by 18. So what is v ka value? We got minus 18 centimeter. So the value of v is negative. Remember, if v is negative, that means image is formed in front of mirror. We can simply say that image is formed at 18 centimeter in front of mirror. So this is the first value we got. We got the position of image and value is negative. So never write negative in the statement. The negative value is simply replaced by in front. So I have written image is formed at 18 centimeter in front of mirror. And if I calculate magnification, which is minus v by u, remember we have to use sign convention. So what is v ka value? Minus 18. What is u ka value? Come on, tell me. Minus 36. Right. So if I cancel it, I get m as minus half. So if I want to write the nature of image, I have already explained you in linear magnification that to check the nature of image from magnification, first check the sign. So the sign over here is negative, which indicates its image is real and inverted, and check the value of m or mod m. What is the value of mod m over here is half. So mod m is half, that means it is less than 1. So definitely the image is diminished. So the nature of the image is real, inverted and diminished. Third one, we have to find the height of image. So again we can use magnification as height of image to the height of object. So height of image can be written as m into height of object. What is value of m? Minus half. What is the height of object? 10. So the height of image will be minus 5 centimeter. And if the height of image is negative, then definitely image is formed below the principal axis. It is inverted, so it has to be real. So there are so many ways to get the nature of image. So here you have to write that size of image simply is 5 centimeter. That is the required answer.